All right, we are here at the Hershey Show with Will at the East to West Entrada section. We are here with the 24RL. This is a brand new model for them, brand new layout. Will, would you mind telling us about this rig?
Absolutely. Thanks, Mike. Like you said, I'm Will from East to West Motorhomes. Right now, that is our Entrada and our Entrada M-Class. The M-Class is built on the Mercedes Sprinter chassis.
Sure.
So this is one of those right here. It's a diesel engine. It's got some cool features up front, power adjustable seats, all the Mercedes bells and whistles that people like. And a nice size that you can really drive this thing anywhere. This is our first non-slide Mercedes unit, and it's a brand new floor plan. Oh, I mean, you just take it anywhere, and you save some cargo capacity not having that slide out on there.
Sure.
But it's got a real cool, the RL stands for rear lounge, so pretty unique in this segment. We got a nice L-shaped sofa in the back. Let's go check it out. Before I show you the cool part in the back there, the bedroom/lounge area, let me tell you a little bit about Entrada and our value proposition. So we focus on affordable quality.
Sure.
Even here in the Mercedes, which are a little bit more expensive, this chassis and whatnot, we are going to be one of the most affordable Mercedes motorhomes on the market by tens of thousands of dollars. Because we don't have a lot of the extra bells and whistles and features that you don't really need. We have everything you need, especially for those first-time campers. We just don't have a lot of extras. As a matter of fact, on this model, we only have two options, which are going to be the solar package, which we put on almost everything. It's a 200-watt solar panel on the roof, 30-amp charge controller, which is more than you need for just that one 200-watt panel, so you could expand that. And then two Group 27 house batteries. So this unit does have that solar package. And it's really cool because it'll run this 12-volt max air fan. It'll run your 12-volt TV. It'll run your 12-volt reefer, which is a 10 cubic foot reefer. Tons of space in there. No fins, no fans. Cool down better, cool down faster. They use less power. You can run them legally and safely while you're driving down the road, no matter where you go. Bridges, tunnels, doesn't matter. So all this stuff is standard. That solar package was the one option. The second option is the hydraulic auto level, 4-point hydraulic auto level, which again, this one that we're standing in does have. So this thing is fully loaded. Everything else you see is standard. The 12-volt TV, 12-volt reefer, the swivel seats from Mercedes up front, the convection microwave. This one doesn't have a slide, but if it did, it would have a slide topper. So some pretty cool features.
Awesome.
So up front, we got some options here. Both of these, this will drop down. There's a table right there that will go here. This post is removable, so if you're not going to use the table here, give you a little bit more room.
Yep.
And then you can come back and check out. So this one's really a great B-van competitor. Anybody who's looking at a B-van should strongly consider this because it's only a little bit bigger, but you get the width. You get a standard bathroom right here, so you're not taking a shower while sitting on the toilet kind of thing. Tons of storage, hanging storage, pantry storage. See this cool pull-out pantry right here.
That's very nice.
Huge for an RV. Drawers, hanging storage, and then back here, the coup d'etat, the rear lounge. So real cool place to sit here, watch TV. This is on a swivel mount, so you can bring it out. So a couple of you can sit back here. This is where your air conditioner is going to stay nice and cool. It's a 15K standard air conditioner. We don't do the 13.5, we go straight to the 15K. And then you do have another base here for your table. So you can work back here as well. But if you really want a bigger sleeping area, you're going to pull this out right here, and then you're going to turn this into a nice big bed area. Remove these, give yourself all that room.
All right, so Will, on this Mercedes chassis, give us the tank sizes for this RV.
Sure. So first is your fuel tank. You're going to have 26 gallons of diesel fuel.
Right.
Most of our customers find they're going 16 to 18 miles per gallon, so that's really pretty good range.
That's fantastic.
That's one of the appeals of the diesel, this V6 diesel here, as opposed to the big V8 gas and the other models. Then your RV tanks are going to be 35 fresh and 32 and 32 black and gray.
Nice. That's awesome. So how can we get a hold of you? If somebody's looking for a rig just like this, how do they get a hold of you?
For sure, you can go to easttowwestrv.com. You can find all of our travel trailers, our fifth wheels, obviously our motorhomes, Entrada, and you can find your nearest dealer too.
And we're going to link that below. If you're interested in East to West, go check it out.